Hello everyone, this is Tanu and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna review India's first ever high protein peanut butter, that is Pintola high protein peanut butter, which comes in two different flavors, dark chocolate and organic jaggery. So first thing first, why it's called high protein peanut butter? Because these particular peanut butters are blended with whey protein imported from New Zealand, and this is India's first US FDA certified high protein peanut butter. And guys, this is not a sponsored video. Whatever I'll be sharing in this video is entirely based on my personal experiences, and I have really tried to make this video a bit more informational for all of my friends. So today I'll review both of these, but right now I'll pick up this one, which is organic jaggery, high protein organic jaggery. Although you can go for the creamy one as well, this is the crunchy flavor, and both of these are my favorites. Now let's have a look at the nutrition facts, and I will put the screenshot here so that you can check this out properly. So from the one serving of 32 grams, you will get 195.2 grams of calories, protein 11.2 grams, which is amazing, and total carbohydrates 7.7 grams, total fat 12.2 grams. Okay, if you can see, and they have given the breakdowns very properly here so that you can understand everything. So this peanut butter is 100% natural with no added sugar and salt, non-GMO, soy and gluten free. And the most amazing fact about this peanut butter is you are getting 11.2 grams of protein just by one serving of 32 grams. Which means if you are consuming only 2 tablespoons of this peanut butter in a day, your body will get 22.4 grams of protein, which is just amazing for any fitness lover or health conscious people. Also, the taste is awesome, guys. You will surely get the natural flavor of jaggery. So guys, this high protein peanut butter has been specially introduced for active people like gym goers, joggers, dieters. Yeah. So I will highly recommend you to go for this one. If you're looking for more protein, more taste, more variety in an organic peanut butter, then I will surely recommend you to go for this one, and you will just love this. So it's a 1 kg pack and its MRP is 625, but right now you will get some good discount on Flipkart. So I will put all the links in my description for your convenience. Guys, now I'll pick up this one in dark chocolate flavor, and this is quite obvious that this dark chocolate flavor tastes too much yum, guys, and like you can easily satisfy your sweet cravings just by adding this delicious peanut butter in your daily diet, and I have already consumed this one, so I can assure you that you are going to love this one. Now let's talk about the most important part, nutrition facts, right? Yeah, so from one serving of 32 grams, you are going to get 187 calories, 10 grams of protein, and you will get 11.2 grams of protein from the previous one, and you will get 10 grams of protein from this one. Total carbohydrates 10.2 grams, total fat 11.5 grams. And I hope you can see the total breakdowns here in the screenshot properly. And guys, I will give you a quick info about its ingredients. So it has roasted peanuts, dark chocolate paste, whey protein concentrate and stabilizer. I forgot to tell you the ingredients of this organic jaggery peanut butter. So I will tell you right now that it has roasted peanuts, whey protein concentrate and organic jaggery, and no stabilizer and nothing. So it's a real gold, guys. And guys, the brand has also mentioned that these peanut butters are suitable for all age groups, so you can easily give it to all of your family members and encourage them to maintain a healthy diet as well. So this one is also a 1 kg pack in creamy flavor, but you will get the crunchy flavor available on Flipkart and Amazon, and you will get also 500 grams jar available on these online stores. So I will put all the links in my description. If you're interested, you can go and check this out, and its MRP is 649, but right now the good discount is running on these online stores, so just go and check this out. So guys, that was all about these peanut butters. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel before you leave, because your support means a lot to me. And I do a lot of reviews and fitness videos as well, so I hope you will love my contents. Check this out. Stay in touch. Love you all. Take care. Ta-ra.